Since the inaugural edition of the Indian Premier League, it has become the most recognizable cricket tournament in the world. The IPL has played a pivotal role in popularizing the fast-paced slam-bang brand of T20 cricket concept of domestic leagues. It will be safe to say that through the Indian Premier League, the charge for the true globalization of the gentleman's game is very much a possibility. IPL has truly revolutionized the game in various ways. Commercially, it has become the pinnacle of cricket business. But it has also enhanced the quality of the game in many ways, and by doing so, opened up doors of opportunities for various parties. One of the biggest achievements of IPL has been the sort of world stage where glamour transformed the game into blockbuster cricket without compromising the skill standards. The global reach of Indian domestic T20 league has seamlessly become the torchbearer of a game which is played by a handful of countries at the very top level. With this in mind, we thought of a few ideas which can be implemented in the future editions of the IPL to truly globalize the game. The first point. The IPL has been a platform where many shining stars of world cricket had the chance to dazzle for the first time on a global stage. We are talking about overseas cricketers who made their reputation through IPL. Shaun Marsh, David Warner, Kieron Pollard. These are few of many names who broke through IPL to international stage. However, it is the likes of Rashid Khan, Sandeep Lamichhane, Rantan Doshkate, Dirk Nance, Chirag Suri and Ali Khan who rose from the cricketing backwaters and made a mark. In the years to come, IPL can introduce a new rule to help the game become more global by adding another overseas spot in the teams. But this time, exclusively, the fifth overseas player has to be from an associate nation. There is no dearth of talent present in the lower leagues of ICC, and some exposure to the big leagues will definitely increase the skill set of these players and give them a real sense of top-level competition. Apart from giving players of different nations an opportunity to flourish, IPL can also look to take the competition to different nations, at least for a few games. The hotbed and nerve center of the competition will always remain in India. But as previous editions have shown, that the competition can thrive outside of India as well. IPL can try to move a part of the competition to different parts of the world. Cricket in mainland Europe is slowly gathering some serious interest, and it might be an interesting choice of venue for the IPL in the coming editions. And coming to the third point, the concluding point. Despite all its glory, Indian Premier League is only a 2-month extravaganza, which creates a resounding buzz in the cricketing playing parts of the world. But the 10-month off-season time gives the franchises very little room to create the buzz, apart from the high-octane auctions. We propose an off-season mini tour which will help the youngsters to showcase their talents and also capture the imagination of the touring country. This can become a trial for the leading players from around the globe, especially the associate nation players. These inclusions will not only be helpful for the improvement of cricket in associate nations, it will also increase the global fandom of Indian Premier League and cricket. Check our other whiteboard style cricket videos backed by deep research. Kindly subscribe to our channel and help us grow. Thank you.